In our today's tutorial, we'll show you how to craft a handmade King Pig mask from the famous Angry Birds. We'll need yellow and green felt of 2 shades, thick paper, thin elastic, multi-purpose glue, and a hole puncher. Draw a pig mask resembling a big bean on the paper. Add ears on one side. Cut it out with scissors. Place the pattern on the light green felt and trace. Cut it out. Draw a small circle with a compass. Cut it out. It's an eye pattern. Place it on the mask and trace. Carefully cut it out with scissors. Sketch an oblong-shaped piglet. Cut it out. Place it on the felt and trace. Cut it out. Draw other details, piglet nostrils and ear middle parts. Cut them out as well. Make these details from the dark green felt. Trace first. We need the patterns to make everything neat and precise. Cut them out. Put everything together. We've nearly forgotten one more detail. Draw a crown. Cut it out. Trace on the yellow felt. And cut it out. The base is ready. Make holes from both sides using a hole puncher. Put together all the elements and attach them using multi-purpose glue. Pass the elastic through the holes and tie knots. His Majesty King Pig mask from the favorite Angry Birds is ready. You can put it on and entertain the kids. Don't forget to leave your comments. Give your thumbs up if you liked the video. Subscribe to our channel and find plenty of interesting fancy dress and themed party ideas.